In a fast-paced legal world, searching through disorganized medical records shouldn't waste your time. Our service organizes your records, providing a hyperlinked index for instant access. First, we receive your bulk records, then organize them by date, provider, and type of report. Finally, we create a hyperlinked index. Just click the Bates number, and you're instantly taken to the exact page you need. Save time, work faster, and focus on winning your case. We customize your index by date range, provider, or type of report exactly the way you need it. Access your hyperlinked index anywhere, anytime. Revolutionize how you manage medical records. Save time, stay organized, and win more. Try our hyperlinked index report now. Custom solutions available. Start your trial now and see how our hyperlinked index report can transform your practice.